Hello students, welcome to the Indian Kids YouTube channel. Students, today we will study future perfect continuous tense. Before starting, I will request you all to kindly like and subscribe our Indian Kids channel and also press the bell icon for further updates. Students, you know what is future perfect continuous tense? Yes, future perfect continuous tense expresses an action that will have been going on at or before some point of time in the future. Students, फ्यूचर परफेक्ट टेंस कंटिन्यूस टेंस वह कार्य दर्शाता है जो भविष्य काल में चल रहा होगा और फिर निश्चित समय पर पूर्ण होगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, he will have been sleeping for 2 hours when the thieves break into his house. जब चोर उसके घर में घुसे तब उसको 2 घंटे सोते हुए हो चुके होंगे. Yes students, now we come on to the salient features. The salient features of future perfect continuous tense are: first, it indicates an action represented as being in progress over a period of time that will end in the future. यह वह कार्य दर्शाता है जो एक अवधि में चल रहा था और भविष्य में जाकर पूर्ण होगा. The second salient feature is helping verb have been is used. सहायक क्रिया have been का प्रयोग होता है. The third salient feature, verb first form plus ing is used. इसमें verb का first form, उसमें ing जोड़ दिया जाता है और इसका प्रयोग किया जाता है. Now I come on to the rules. Students, as you all know, there are 3 kinds of sentences: affirmative sentence, negative sentence and interrogative sentence. Affirmative sentences are positive in nature, negative sentences are negative in nature, and interrogative sentences are questioning sentences. So, now we'll read the rules of all these 3 sentences. The first is affirmative sentence. The rule for affirmative sentence is subject plus will or shall plus have been, the helping verb, plus first form of verb plus ing plus object. For example, he will have been dancing on the rooftop. where छत पर नाच रहा होगा. The second example, I shall have been flying the fighter plane. मैं लड़ाकू विमान उड़ा रहा हूँगा. Now I come on to the negative sentences. The rule is subject plus will or shall plus have been, have not been plus first form of verb plus ing plus object. Students, we are using not because it is a negative sentence. For example, she will have not been sleeping the entire day. वह पूरा दिन सो नहीं रही होगी. Now the the second example, we shall have not been attending the marriage. हम विवाह में सम्मिलित नहीं हो रहे होंगे. Now I come on to the interrogative sentence, which are questioning sentence. The rules for interrogative sentence: will or shall plus have plus subject plus been plus first form of verb plus ing plus object, and then a question mark will come because it is a questioning sentence. The second rule for interrogative sentence is WH family plus will or shall plus have plus subject plus been plus first form of verb plus ing plus object. Students, now we come on to the examples. Will have you been playing football? क्या आप फुटबॉल खेल रहे होंगे? The second example. What shall have we been doing abroad? हम विदेश में क्या कर रहे होंगे? So students, I hope all of you all have understood the future perfect continuous tense. Yes students, future perfect continuous tense expresses an action that will have been going on at or before some point of time in the future. Future perfect continuous tense वह कार्य दर्शाता है जो भविष्य काल में चल रहा होगा और फिर निश्चित समय पर पूर्ण होगा. Students, I hope all of you all have understood what is future perfect continuous tense. So, if you have liked the video, please like and subscribe the Indian Kids YouTube channel and also press the bell icon for further updates. Thank you.